Hello, welcome back to Daily English with Diana. How's your day? Today's topic is very important for girls and women. I think everyone should know about it. It can help you and help others. Let's begin. Number 1. Upskirt. Upskirt. U-P-S-K-I-R-T. U-P-S-K-I-R-T. This word is easy to remember. Think of someone looking up under a skirt. What does it mean? It means someone secretly takes a photo or video under a woman's skirt. They use a smartphone or a small camera. This is very wrong. It makes people feel sad, feel bad, feel disgusting. Most importantly, it is against the law. Examples. He was upskirting me on the escalator. He was upskirting me on the escalator. Watch out! He is upskirting you. Call the police. Watch out! He's upskirting you. Call the police. You can also use the word secretly. Secretly. S-E-C-R-E-T-L-Y. S-E-C-R-E-T-L-Y. It means doing something without people knowing. Examples. He secretly filmed under my skirt. He secretly filmed under my skirt. I was secretly photographed. I was secretly photographed. Film. F-I-L-M. Film. F-I-L-M. It means making a video. Photograph. Photograph. P-H-O-T-O-G-R-A-P-H. P-H-O-T-O-G-R-A-P-H. It means taking a picture. Number 2. Sneak a shot. Sneak a shot. Sneak. S-N-E-A-K. S-N-E-A-K. Shot. S-H-O-T. S-H-O-T. It means taking a secret photo when someone doesn't know. But sometimes it's not bad. For example, you can sneak a shot of your friend sleeping in class. You can sneak a shot of your sister dancing in a funny way. You can even sneak a shot of your teacher picking his nose. Another example. She took a sneak shot of Lady Gaga at the restaurant. Do you see the difference? Upskirting is bad and illegal. I-L-L-E-G-A-L. I-L-L-E-G-A-L. Illegal. It is wrong and against the law. Sneaking a shot is sometimes okay, but it depends on the situation. Some bad people share upskirting photos online to make money. This makes me very angry. We must protect ourselves and call the police if this happens. Don't let them get away with it. Alright, quick review. Number 1. He was upskirting me on the escalator. He was upskirting me on the escalator. You have to remember this sentence. This is so important. If you cannot remember other sentences, it's totally fine. Just this one. Remember it. Number 2. He secretly filmed under my skirt. He secretly filmed under my skirt. Number 3. I was secretly photographed. I was secretly photographed. Number 4. She took a sneak shot of the actor. She took a sneak shot of the actor. That's all for today. Do you like today's lesson? If you have any questions, leave a comment or send me a message. See you next time. Bye bye.